It is 4th of July in Freeport, Maine, celebrating their 100th anniversary, and this is the finish line for the 10K road race that is coming up here real soon, and keep you posted what's going on at the road race at LLB. Good job, man.
Let's bring home number 3, Chris Harmon from Brunswick.
Sorry. No problem.
We also greet at the finish line Sam Carlin from Cumberland. Let's give a shout out to John Murray from Westbrook and your second female, Meredith Hayden, and from Easton, Connecticut. And ladies